together, Palm Coast, find your Florida.
Welcome to our historic Graham Swamp. This Florida treasure holds a wealth of ecological and historical significance that extends for thousands of acres. The swamp is a matrix of different communities that support a truly diverse and unique ecosystem. Right now I'm speaking to you at the trailhead on Old Kings Road. Old Kings Road once served as a major transportation corridor in Florida. Constructed in 1776, it extended from Georgia to New Smyrna, Florida, serving as a route to and from Graham Swamp. In 1782, the richest and most notable Georgian moved to East Florida. Lieutenant Colonel Graham of the British militia was given a grant of 20,000 acres, now known as Graham Swamp. The lieutenant colonel built a beautiful plantation and grew prosperous on sugarcane crops raised on the swamp's fertile lands. It lasted until the Second Seminole War. Today, however, the swamp serves a much greater need for environmental conservation, flood protection, and water quality. These and other diverse functions yield numerous benefits that you and other visitors will interact with and experience during your time on the trail. Use your smartphone barcode scanner app, or you can visit the City of Palm Coast website to download an app that will take you on this unique QR code tour of Graham Swamp. Don't miss this chance to trek it out in Palm Coast. And by the way, words like QR code and barcode scanner and app leave you a little befuddled. Ask a teenager. I did. Enjoy yourself as you trek it out in Palm Coast.